Hi guys, so I actually did a lot of things today. I got to woke up like at 8 a.m. and then I started to work things out for my application. I tried to apply again for a job. It's been 60 days and I still haven't got a job. It's so sad, but I hope sooner, how do I say this? In the near future, we get that job. And I tried to apply for medical assistance for my kuya. It went well, and I bought medicine for my kuya, and then there was actually something that happened it's not about me, but it's about my kuya and her and things that she thinks that he has to deal with. I don't know her pronouns, she or he, or but I would like to call him he because I call him Kuya. Felt like I heard screaming. I don't know if you heard that, but I feel it's like I heard screaming. I hope everything's okay. And yeah, um, I also did a logo for something special that I'm planning to do, and I hope everything turns out well. So that would be the summary of my day. I hope things work out for me. Thank you, Lord. Bye.